Now that we're ready to start making our hand-tied wefts, let's practice how to pull hair from the drawing card. As you can see, I'm pinching off small bits of hair at a downward direction. I'm also being mindful not to mix the root and the tips of the hair together. For this weft, we will make a flat weft and pull about 10 strands of hair. So to start, we will have to make the first lock knot. Pull a small amount of hair from your drawing card. Starting from behind the bottom string, pull the hair between the bottom and the middle strings to the front. Next, pull the hair over the top string to the back and then through the top and middle string to the back to the front. Pull the hair from the back through the middle and the bottom strings. Now wrap the hair around the bottom string through the bottom and the middle, and then back to the front through the middle and the top string and again over the top string. Finally, bring the hair through the top and middle strings to the front and through the middle and bottom string to the back. Now to make it a lock knot, bring 2 fingers through the space between the bottom and middle string from the back and to the right of the hair. Grab the hair and pull it through to the back. Tighten the knot by pulling the hair and pushing the knot all the way to the right. Now, you only need 1 lock knot to start your weft, but I'm going to show you this once more but closer up. So you can also use your spray water bottle to make the strands group together, and this may help it more easily go through the strings. Remember, you can refer to the ebook for this course to see written instructions on how to do this. To complete the rest of your flat weft, repeat the steps of the first lock knot, except do not pull the strands between the bottom and middle strings to the back. Stop once your strands are to the back of the bottom string, pull to tighten, and then push the knot firmly to the right. Make sure all of your knots are very close together to the right. Push very tightly together. And it's important to make sure the root of the hair is behind the bottom string. Repeat these knots over and over until you have created the desired length of your weft. This is the basic technique. You can create micro wefts using less hair. You can also create knotted wefts by using the first lock knot for every knot in the weft. There are also ways to only use 2 strings to complete the weft as well. So it takes me about an hour to complete one 27-inch weft. And I just repeat these steps over and over again until I'm ready to be completed with my weft. Next, we will go over how to end your weft and the final touches of hand-tied wefts.